So when we talk about concepts like time series data, understanding and predicting future trends, likewise, there is another modeling technique that worth mentioning. It is called ARIMA modeling. So ARIMA stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. It is actually a statistical analysis model that uses time series data to predict the future trends. So it is actually a model that has the ability to predict future based on the past values. It actually uses the lagged moving averages to smooth the particular time series dataset. So the only downside is that these autoregressive models implicitly assume that the future will always resemble based on the past. Therefore, they can prove inaccurate certain market conditions or the certain natural conditions. For an example, financial crises or sudden changes likewise. So in this video, I will show you how we can use AutoArima modeling technique to predict future values. So for this example, I am going to use the Facebook stock values based on a time series, and I am going to create a new model ARIMA fit, and then we can call the AutoArima function. So from there we have to give the input as the data set. Since we are going to use the this particular GDP value, we will consider the second column. So we know this particularly these stock market values don't have a seasonal pattern. Therefore, we give the seasonal abbreviation or the seasonal argument as false. So finally, we can call the forecast function, or if I create a new variable, we can call the forecast function, and then provide the ARIMA fit as the input value or the input type, and we have to give the h as some kind of value. So in here, h value represents the number of cycles or the some number of time periods that we are going to predict into the future. So if we are considering 10 time periods into the future, we can give the h as 10. So now we can simply run this chunk of code. And finally, if we want to plot this, we can call the forecast variable. So now you can see the ARIMA model has calculated the forecast future. So we know that ARIMA model has 4 coefficients or parameters in order to indicate the type of ARIMA model used. So in here, what I want to emphasize is that in normal circumstances, we have to study more about these graphs in order to determine what parameters to use for the ARIMA model. So however, luckily with the particular forecast library in the R, we can easily determine the values for the particular parameters of the ARIMA model. So by doing so, we don't have to determine these parameters ourselves, because the function auto.arima automatically calculates those parameters for us. So if you get the output of this ARIMA fit, you can clearly see the coefficients are calculated by the R itself. Therefore, the main advantage here is that we don't have to spend time figuring out these parameters for the auto ARIMA modeling.